If you're looking to stop recurring charges on TikTok, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page where you can manage your settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 dots with the menu icon in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. This is where you can find account management options. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Scroll down and look for the subscriptions or billing section. Here, you will see a list of your active subscriptions, including any recurring charges. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any recurring charges on TikTok. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to TikTok support for help.